So I'm in my app right now, and I can just go to this data rooms tab and click on the new data room button. I'll just give this some name and some description and some banner. And now I can start adding files and folders into this. I can also create groups of these files and folders, and ultimately I can also add a file request block, which I'll show later. Now this library that opens up again can be my Google Drive or OneDrive or whatever I want, and I can just select these individual files, or I can also select these complete folders, and everything that I've added into the data room shows up on this right. I can also search over here. I can also upload files from my local drive or create new folders from right here. Now finally, I'm just gonna click on this add to data room button, and everything's gonna show up in my data room. I can also add some groups to group the content and show it more usefully to the client. So let me just add a bunch of things to the test group. And finally, I can also add a file request block. So let's say I want to request a passport from my customer. Great, so now my data room is ready for sharing. So I can just click on the share button. And now I can create the link for this data room similar to how I can create a file link or a folder link. I can also configure the settings on this link, such as disallowing downloading on my files or collecting email, setting expiry, taking the link offline, or setting subscription settings. Now let me show you how this looks to the client. So this is how it shows up. You can customize your logo and the URL and all the standard settings on the CloudFiles viewer. I can also now go into these files and view them individually, and I can go back to my data room from this simple back button. I can also upload as a client. I can upload files into this data room. So let me just upload one. A simple file. Yeah. And now if I go back to my CloudFiles account, first of all, I can see analytics related to all of the views that have happened in my data room. I can view individual file analytics, and I can also view page by page analytics. So I can sort of drill down into the analytics as much as I want, and I can also see all of my received files right here. So I can see who has uploaded what. If the email of the person was requested, then the email would be showing up here. So you would know exactly who has uploaded what into your data room. So this is pretty much about the CloudFiles data room. Thanks for watching.